Hey folks, here Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to our Guru Purnima special live stream. So, of course, we are going to discuss a lot of things today. We are going to start experimenting something brand new today. It's going to be fun. But before we move on, I think it's maybe on the occasion of Guru Purnima that a lot of our viewers are wanting to upskill themselves and they have enrolled for our memberships. That's what I can see. Mukhil. Veerabhadra, always Nitin, then Shuttle Smashers, okay, then Timon Saha, Manjunatha, Sebastian, Narendra, Rakhi, Neeraj, Pranjali, Srinivas, Shubha, then Abhijit, oh my god, Murlidharan, and RSK. So many people have joined our membership today. So happy to see that. As I mentioned, maybe on the occasion of Guru Purnima, more and more people are maybe wanting to upskill themselves, and that might be the reason why they have enrolled for membership. But I hope you all have taken the Pro Investor membership, because I think that is the best addition to our membership. That's where you get a detailed stock of the month video where I try and explain stocks which belong to different sectors. So for example, in that whole series, I have discussed how to analyze banking stock, how to analyze an NBFC stock, then be it from the hotel space, be it from the hospitality space, be it from aviation, chemicals, specialty chemicals. It's a list. And for those who already have been pro investors, I'm sure they can vouch for this, that they might have learned a lot through our pro investor membership. Kya baat hai? Very nice. Vijay says, I am a complete beginner in stocks and investing, and I'm not even sure why I joined the pro investor membership. Perhaps for access to resources. I'm 21 years old and currently have 2 lakhs. Very nice, Vijay. I don't know why there are a lot of skulls around your DP. But good that you at least thought of, at least investing in knowledge. And this is just the start. And I'm really happy that you have taken up finances seriously right from the age of 21. I would definitely suggest that you watch each and every video which is available for pro investor members. You will learn a lot. That's my guarantee. And after you learn, do your own analysis, and then maybe you can start slowly, but do start investing early. Okay. Thank you so much, Swapnil, Aniket. Prof, you are wishing me Guru Purnima, happy Guru Purnima. Yes, I'm not even showing every single comment. Just random comments I'm showing which say happy Guru Purnima. Thank you so much. क्या बात है, तुमच्यासारखे गुरु आम्हास लाभले, आमचे भाग्य जीवनात दाखवला मार्ग, तुम्ही शिष्य होणे तुमचे हे आमचे सौभाग्य. क्या बात है. Vinayak, thank you. Wow, I can't even express my emotion after reading that, but thank you so much. Deepak says Hindi version basic course बहुत बढ़िया और अच्छा है. Yee-hoo! क्या बात है. Deepak, have you done it seems that you have done the basics of stock market course. आपकी हिंदी भी प्यारी है. बहुत शुक्रिया दीपक जी. मेरी हिंदी ऑनेस्टली बहुत बुरी नहीं है. जनरली पुणे मुंबई से जो बिलोंग करते हैं उनकी हिंदी कुछ अजीब सी होती है. वी हैव अ मदर टंग इन्फ्लुएंस, एंड मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त है जो इस तरीके से बात करेंगे कि ओ हमारे यहाँ पे नहीं क्या हुआ था, हाँ वो जोर से भाग रहा था और वहां पे धक्कन गिर गया वो. That is how people may speak Hindi in Pune or Mumbai. But I have had a lot of teachers who used to speak Hindi, so that might be one of the reasons why my Hindi is not that bad. I don't claim it to be like very good, but it's definitely above average is what I can say. All right, but I'm so happy that you've done my basics of stock market Hindi course. For those who don't know about this, would love you all to check my basics of stock market Hindi course. Pooja AI, because now Pooja has been declared as AI. Please paste the link of our Hindi course, Basics of Stock Market, in the comment section. Anyone who is wanting to learn Basics of Stock Market in Hindi, now that option is also available. We have planned to launch fundamental analysis and technical analysis in Hindi. That should be ideally done by December, right? Yeah, thanks a lot. A lot of people are also congratulating me for our car. Thank you so much. Oh wow, how is your Mercedes Benz? It's amazing, I must say that. uh, I have always, I have never been a fan, like a big time fan of cars. I like cars, but there are some people who can uh, guess which car is that even by the side angle or just by looking at how it is turning and this that. I'm not that crazy person for cars. I love gadgets. It was Akshay's dream to buy a Mercedes, and I can happily say that we had planned, when we got married, we had a Maruti 800, and we had really dreamt of buying that car someday. We were not even sure that we would be able to achieve this dream or not, but I think that's the power of long term investing. That's the power of compounding. We have been investing without fail every single month, every single year for the last 14 years. 14 years together. Um, of course, before that, we both have started individually since 2006, but we got married in 2011. Since that 14 years, we have been investing without fail, and I think that is a gift that we got for our dedication, for our dedication towards stock market, dedication, I can say, towards studying stocks, and very important, staying patiently invested, and not being swung away with distractions. Because I can definitely tell you that when we qualified as CAs, we both were earning, but we saved like anything. And I can say that a lot of my friends had bought new house, new car pretty much early in the beginning of their career, and of course with loans. We always felt that if we were to buy our dream car, we should be able to fund it with the profit uh, that we can make from stock markets. Uh, of course, everyone will have some basic source of income, right? So, for example, for me, it could be my YouTube income, it could be some brand deals, it could be courses. That is a primary source of income. To buy a car from that could be comparatively easy, but to invest that money, to generate profits from that, and only buying from the profits does take a lot of patience. And that's how we got our, Akshay, it is Akshay's dream car. We got the GLE. Rajesh is saying, is it Maybach? Rajesh, if Nifty goes to 1 lakh, and if our top 5 stocks uh, become multi-baggers, yes, Maybach is on the cards as well. We Pooja, maybe you can just star mark this live stream where I'm expressing that Akshay's one more dream car is Mercedes Maybach, but that is extremely expensive. Again, if we can fund it with our profits, maybe yes. So let's see next 4 or 5 years if markets reach 1 lakh or a crazy number, if our stocks fly, maybe yes. Okay. Are you driving? Yes, of course. Me and Akshay, we fight like anything. We both love driving. In fact, last December 2024, we both had gone to New Zealand. We drove from North New Zealand to, northern tip of North New Zealand to southern tip of North New Zealand. We flew from Northern Island to Southern Island. And in the Southern Island also, we flew from kind of a northern point to, we made a circle and back there, and then we flew back to Pune. It was almost, I think 11 days we were driving, and we drove like anything. We loved it. So we both drive, and we go from Pune to Goa, Pune, Mumbai, of course, yes. So yes, we both drive. Picture of the car. Oh, Avinash, we have uploaded the reel, and people, I don't know how to react. I'm happy, but I would be happier if I get such kind of views on the knowledge based reels as well, because I have 1.1 million followers on Instagram, and on Instagram I think the reel is close to 2 million views now. But if I post a video on stock market, it would not even reach 500k. When it's about a car, it got 2 million views, almost a million on YouTube. So anyways, happy, but I feel that people should also watch more of knowledge related content. Yes, that's how an investor should think, by putting the price of the car from the profits. Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely. Whoa, Prasanna says, wishing Guru Purnima from 6 a.m. club. Absolutely. Akshay doesn't like Range Rover. Okay, so we have few more members who have joined in. Shoaib has joined as a new member. Kya baat hai? Swapnil has gifted 5 memberships on account of Guru Purnima maybe. Thank you so much, Swapnil. Thank you for spreading knowledge and financial literacy. Vijay has gifted 5 memberships. Kya baat hai, Vijay? Thank you so much. I can't see your face because you have. I think you at least are acting like a Gen Z, Vijay. That's how my some relatives of mine who are in their early 20s or maybe late teens, they act. That's how they click pictures. They don't want to show their face. I don't know why, but that's how they click mirror selfies. I've learned from them. But thank you for the wonderful gesture. Devdeep says, happy Guru Purnima. Thank you so much, Devdeep. New members again, Rakhi, Abhijit Kumar. I think, yes, I've already welcomed others. So thank you so much for joining memberships, and thank you so much for gifting memberships. So today, shall we start with something which I had promised last Thursday? We should do that. I hope everyone has 2 devices today. I had told you that from today, every Thursday live stream, we'll have a poll where I want you all to study simultaneously. It's going to be a simultaneous session. I'll ask a question. So ideally, if you are viewing from a mobile, try to have one more mobile, or I don't know if you can split screen one where you are checking. Vijay says, I am Gen Z, ma'am. I changed my profile picture. It had many skulls like you mentioned. Oh, you are the one. All right. Good, Vijay. This is better than skulls though. Okay. Yes. So moving on. So we are going to talk about 5 breakout stocks. Absolutely, yes. And today, what we are going to do is see, like I told you, right? I unfortunately am not allowed to show any charts. I'm not allowed to comment on that. But I always have taught a lot about what do we mean by breakouts. Breakout could be of 3 types. One could be like a horizontal breakout where the stock is hitting a resistance and it's not able to go out of that range. But if it goes out of this range, that will be treated as a breakout. Always ensure that it breaks out with good volumes. So don't give importance only to price, give importance to action as well. It could be a downward mirror image. It could be I don't know how to do that. Downward trending breakout. So a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, and then a breakout with volumes again. That'll be important. Or it could be an upward trending breakout as well. A high, a low, a higher high, a higher low, or whatever, a higher high, and finally it breaks out. Okay. There could be multiple types of breakouts. So what we are going to do today is, first let's get started with that only. And I'm going to put up a poll. I'm going to wait for like a minute. I want everyone to be quick and give an answer, whether you can see a breakout or not. You will have to answer in yes or no to kickstart. Okay. So I'm going to put the poll right away. The first poll question, you'll be able to see this. Is there a breakout in PFC? Is there a breakout in PFC? Don't be in a hurry. This is not a fastest finger first. Okay. I'm going to ask questions on that. As I mentioned, unfortunately, I will not be able to show the chart. Okay. But what I want you all to do is, and of course, if you see the poll question very carefully, I've also, I've not mentioned a word, sorry. Check the daily time frame. From the next question, I'll do that. Check the daily time frame and tell me whether you see a breakout in PFC in the daily chart. Okay. I'm going to wait for another 30 seconds. Take your time. Study well. Don't be in a hurry. You're not going to get any gift even if you give the correct answer. Okay. Chalo, done. I think we have almost 180 plus answers, 200 plus answers. Okay, it's an interesting one. 62% people have said that yes, there is a breakout, whereas balanced people, you can't see the board. I hope, because I got 200 plus comments. So 62% of the people have mentioned that, yes, 62% people have said that yes, it's a breakout, and 37% people have said no, it's not a breakout. Okay, fantastic. Will I be able to give the answer? I will not be able to give the answer whether it's a breakout or not. But I definitely feel what you should do is study the daily chart pattern. If you have done my course on price action analysis, if you have done my, oh man, so happy to see this. Muralidharan says it's a VCP pattern. Muralidharan, have you done my course on price action analysis? I want an answer from you. Yes, very good. I'm happy to read that answer. Fantastic, fantastic. So there is an amazing chart pattern which is called as VCP, volatility contraction price. Okay, so it's a very nice chart pattern to understand. VCP. I have discussed this in my price action analysis course. Volume is amazing. Breakout, almost there, almost not there, on the verge, whatever. See, whenever I'm giving any stocks, I would request everyone to at least add it to your watch list. Okay. Whenever we are discussing any stock, see, I'm going to give this as a discussion, as a study. We're going to study this as a discussion thing. And what you have to do is put it in the watch list, follow it, see what's happening, how the volume is impacting the stock price. Is there any news in the stock or not? Okay. So that is what you have to study, right? Meenakshi is saying it failed 2 times earlier. Okay, fair enough. I would love to see your. I'm going to read your comments as well. Vinayak is saying if downward trend line consider, then it's a breakout. Vinayak, as I told you, it's not necessary that it has to be a horizontal breakout. It can be an upward trending breakout. It can be a downward trending breakout as well. Prasanna says with volumes. PFC or REC, which is better? Madan, I'll do a video on this. Both stocks are close to my heart. Next week we'll try to do a video on this. अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है. I think a lot of answers. So shall we move on to the next stock? Everyone, please add these stocks to your watch list. Study well. Don't be in a hurry for any specific stock. If you feel you're convinced enough, then you take your own call. Call could be either buy or sell or ignore. Do nothing. Okay. Right. Okay. Chalo. So with that, let's get started with the second one. Ready? Before that, someone is saying, Madam, no follow-up candle for PFC. See, that's what I'm telling. Unfortunately, I'm not able to comment. Okay. So what you can what you can do is you can. So am I saying that it is a breakout? I am not saying that it is a breakout, or whether it's a convincing breakout, or maybe it's neck to neck breakout. But what you should do is at least have it in your watch list, see how it is reacting. If you feel convinced enough, take action accordingly. Okay, Shalo. So let's move on with the next question. Next question is, I'm putting it in the chat, and this time I've mentioned into bracket D, that is you have to check the daily time frame. Okay, you have to check the daily time frame. Is there a breakout in Mankind Pharma? Is there a breakout in Mankind Pharma? Daily candlestick is what you have to check. I'm going to wait for another 30 seconds. Meenakshi, please mention your concern to SEBI. Oh, Vijay says, I feel like a lost kid here. Definitely need to learn more to really feel involved. Vijay, if you are really wanting to learn, would highly recommend 3 courses to you: basics of stock market, fundamental analysis, and technical analysis. Unfortunately, these are things which we have not learned in school. We have not learned it in college. But just because we did not get a chance to learn it in school or college doesn't mean we just keep on blaming our education system. Thankfully, you all have uh, an opportunity to learn whenever you want to learn, right? So I have these courses which are like a Netflix model. You subscribe, you watch it whenever you want to. We have monthly Zoom meetings, where I do interact with all of my course learners who wish to ask me questions. uh, so you all have an opportunity to learn. For me, it was like just meet people, ask for information. कुछ बताया अच्छी बात है, कुछ नहीं बताया तो भी अच्छी बात है. Watch television. You can imagine there was no YouTube when I started learning. So you can imagine what sort of lost kid I might be back then when I was your age. So you're at least lucky that you have some level of some people around you on our YouTube live stream, and also my courses, anyone else's courses also if you want to. But you will have a possibility to learn at least. All right. All right. The poll has ended for Mankind Pharma. 287 people have voted, and 71% people have said yes, there is a breakout in Mankind Pharma. 28% people have said no, there's no breakout in Mankind Pharma. For those, Ranjit saying you need not say yes or no. You can just nod your head if it's a yes. Okay. Now for those who are saying yes or saying no, you can type out in the comment section, and let me see what are your thoughts on that. What are your thoughts on whether there is a breakout, and if you feel yes, why no? I think Madan, you have mentioned this for Mankind Pharma, double bottom, good volume, about to break out, but not yet, is what you are mentioning. I'm not sure whether you are talking about Mankind or not. Oh yes, you are. Okay. Avinash is saying also breakout in MACD RSI. Okay. Still to watch, Arpita says. Okay. Have another device ready with you. Okay. What you can do is, on a daily chart, I'm repeating for this one also, whenever you are checking, it is not going to be like a textbook horizontal line breakout. If there is a breakout, try to check whether there is a slanting breakout or not. Check that as well. Double bottom with good volume. I see a W pattern that's very close to a breakout. Okay, fantastic. So I know. Vivek says almost 1,000 people are watching and only 278 likes. Why? वो दुख भरी दास्तां है हमारे चैनल की. I don't know. That's what happens. Okay, fair enough. I also get this. Volume is 3x than average volume. Okay, breakout and then confirmation candle. Okay, fair enough. So whatever answers we have received for first two stocks, I'm just summing it up. PFC and Mankind. None of them is saying that it's a failure. None as in कुछ है ही नहीं इस stock में. I didn't get any comments like these. Whoever is commenting, there is just a difference of opinion in two things. Some are saying yes, it's a breakout, and some are saying it's on the verge of breakout. Okay, that is what I get in the comment section, right? Some are saying yes, it's a breakout. Some are saying breakout to hai, but follow-up candle is pending. That is the reason why I'm telling you that at least keep it in your watch list. Try to see what happens as a follow-up price to action. Okay. Yes. Shall we move on with the next? Say yes. Chalo, till then, others, please smash the like button. All right. We will move on to the next one. The next one again on a daily time frame. Okay. Check the daily time frame, but for which stock? I'm going to put it here and I'm going to say start a poll. Okay. And that's where you see, is there a breakout in Motilal Oswal? I'm also simultaneously checking it. I have shortlisted the stocks by the way. Motilal Oswal. Is there a breakout? Can you see any pattern? Okay, I'll be specific. Can you see any pattern in Motilal Oswal? Daily time frame. Try to see the pattern starting somewhere around mid-Jan. If there is a pattern, the pattern may have started somewhere around mid-Jan. And it's kind of a textbook one, if you can spot it. Anirudh saying is, how will we get to know the right answers? Generally, I feel that if we are talking about our channel, at least for the Thursday live streams, we have a set of people who come and visit who check the live stream without fail on every Thursday. So ideally, their level of knowledge is good. You can definitely consider the opinion of the majority of the people. Okay, ideally, majority should be giving the right answer. Oh, Jay. Aniruddha is saying cup and handle. Flag and pole, but with low volume. Okay. Cup and handle. Cup and handle. Okay. Again a flag. Cup and handle. Cup and handle. Higher highs is not a chart pattern. I have specifically mentioned any chart pattern which you can see. Cup and handle. Cup and handle. Rounding bottom. Cup and handle. Woohoo! Amit is saying I'm loving this format of live stream. Nice. Okay. All right. Cup and handle. Cup and handle. Cup and handle. Kya baat hai? Kya baat hai? Oh, what? So many people have answered. Ooh, cup and handle. Cup and handle. U-shaped recovery. Cup and handle. Kya baat hai? Vijay is saying go with the majority for answers. Fantastic. Fantastic. Even I'm loving this. So many people are enthusiastically. I forgot to stop. Okay. At least, the number of votes are going up slowly and steadily. We started with, I think, 214 votes. Second one, we had 280 के आसपास votes. Right now, we got 314 votes. जनता के साथ जाएंगे तो we have 71% of the people saying yes, it's a breakout in Motilal Oswal. 28% are saying no, it's not a breakout. And majority answers that I've got here during the live stream, everyone is saying a lot of people are saying either a U or a cup and handle, or some people are saying higher highs. Another saying full of fun. Yes. This live stream interesting, ma'am. Kya baat hai, kya baat hai. Interesting live stream. Very nice. I mean, there are two ways to say this, that it's an interesting live stream. Either you type it out or you can smash the like button. 1,000 people watching, 400 likes. I know I'm a chartered accountant and we pass every single subject with 40%, but our overall passing is at 50%. So please take the likes beyond 500. Out of 5, we are done with 3 stocks discussion. I'm just giving you those nudges so that you think, you study, you give your inputs. And the best part is that in a poll, even if your answer is wrong, no one gets to know that your answer was wrong, right? So definitely answer, right? That will give you more conviction while you are answering. While you attempt for the next time. Still, the number of likes is like just shade above 460. Situ is saying, can't we give more than one like? I wish, Situ. Okay. Answer expected from Guru. Please tell SEBI. Knowledge-based polls challenges our knowledge. Kya baat hai, Shubha? I like that. Very nice. I am really happy. Instead of, I think this is more interesting because otherwise you ask me, I directly tell the answer. There's no fun. If I ask you, so it's actually the other way around, right? Oh wow. Earlier live streams be like, you all ask me questions and I give the answers. Now, new live stream be like, I am asking you questions, you are giving me the answers. Very nice. Oh, Avinash says this. Yes, you said it, Avinash. This live stream is making us to apply the knowledge which we have gained from you over the years. Kya baat hai? Thank you so much, Avinash. Means a lot. Yes, this take is good. Making viewers to engage in live stream. Absolutely. Ask us if we have any breakout stocks. Interesting. Okay. Now, new car effect. What is that? What new effect is that? Yes, exactly. That's what I thought. This is more interesting. Oh, kya baat hai. Because today is your day, Guru as Guru Purnima. Thank you so much. Madan is saying, ma'am, today your energy/enthusiasm is combined Guru Purnima with Benz. I am always energetic. Okay. All right. Let's move on with the next set of poll. One more with a daily time frame. Okay. So be ready with the next question. And here's your poll. That's the question for you. I've started the poll. The question is there a breakout in Shriram Finance? Oh, 3 stocks are over, Prasanna. We did 3 stocks till now. Which stocks have we completed? We have completed discussion on PFC, on Mankind Pharma, and Motilal Oswal. I want you all to check for Shriram Finance now. I want more answers here. At least more than 300. That's what I got in the previous question. In the meanwhile, let me also revise Shriram Finance. Jai Shriram. I would want specific answers for this after the breakout thing. There, if you feel it's a breakout, tell it's a breakout. If you feel it's not a breakout, it's not a breakout. After you are done with the yes or no, I'm going to ask if you can see any pattern which is being formed in this stock. Shiva says we will give you a poll. You can answer yes or no. SEBI won't come to. Nako baba. Okay. Chalo, I missed it. How many people? Okay. Very nice. I'm ending the poll. जनता के साथ जाएंगे तो almost 60% people almost are saying there is no breakout. There's no breakout. And 40% are saying yes. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. But I want answers if something is being formed. Is there any chart pattern which is in the formation process? And Pramod says uptrend is visible but not a breakout yet. No breakout but in uptrend. Sunil Ranarkar says it's an ascending triangle. Sunil, you have been very active, it seems. You are hashtag number 2 right now among the top fan list. Very nice. So basically it says that you're very active in this live stream. Very good. Okay. Anyone else? Okay, yet to break out. No confirmation for any pattern. Okay. Uptrend is basically दिल की बात जुबान से बाहर नहीं आ सकती. Okay, no breakout. I'm reading comments and I'm just laughing by myself. Okay. Acha. Okay, fantastic. Sending triangle one more. Hey ma'am, can you make a super fun and easy to understand Gen Z video on how to invest your money for the future, like in stocks, bonds, and more? Something that's not boring but actually helpful. Finance is always boring, Vijay. Okay. Finance as in investing is ideally going to be boring. You'll feel that nothing is happening with my money. Whenever you see that money is really, really making itself work, it's going bonkers, that will happen after a lot of time. Okay. So it is kind of boring, unfortunately. If you have good teachers, then it can be made fun, but otherwise the process of growing your money is very slow. Okay, so going ahead with the last talk. By the way, let me just summarize this. For Shriram Finance, what we got as an answer is 60% people said there is no breakout, and 40% said there is a breakout. One more thing that I got is higher lows. Many people gave that higher lows. I got few answers for ascending triangle. Okay, sure. Okay, I think this is it. Okay. RSI divergence. Okay. Fair enough. Okay. So let's move on with the last one. Okay, last one. We had talked about 5 stocks. So last stock coming up. If you've watched my breakout stocks video, I had discussed about this same one in the breakout stocks video as well. So I'm just going to put last poll question here on. Okay, so now you can see you have to check UltraTech, but not on a daily time frame. Not on a daily time frame. You can see it should be on a weekly time frame. Okay. UltraTech weekly time frame. Start checking. Vijay, I told you start with my courses. That's how you will learn step by step. Ranjit ji is saying you cannot get anybody better than her. Thank you so much. Okay. Rachana says double bottom and a breakout. Okay. Parallel channel breakout. Okay. Multiple pattern breakout. Flag and ascending triangle. काय काय आहे म्हणजे नक्की? Inverse head and shoulder. Okay. Darwas box. Aniket. Have you done my price action analysis course? The moment I read a few words, it's like, tang, these guys have done my price action analysis course. Aniket, have you? Yes, there is a breakout after consolidation. Okay. Double bottom, inverted head and shoulders, breakout with 2% plus engulfing candle, long resistance breakout, pole and flag. Oh, Aniket says, yes, he has done my price action analysis course. Aniket, anyone who has done my price action analysis, who has done technical analysis and has done price action analysis course. If you want to give some inputs, would be happy to read that as well. Arpita is saying finally breaking out of the range. Okay. Okay, how many polls? Okay, 300 plus. I think now the confidence is higher than ever. Okay, I'm ending the poll. You'll be able to see the results for yourself. I think the highest conviction that we got right now is in UltraTech. Okay. 86% of the people are saying yes, there's a breakout. 13% people are saying no, there's no breakout. Okay, fantastic. Ascending breakout. Okay. Rachana says your favorite stock from long back has been our stock of the month way back when. I remember in that video I've taught how is cement made and what do we mean by, what was that? WHRS, I think, waste heat recovery system. Achanak se yaad aa gaya. I just remember the animation that we had done for that video. It was mind blowing. My animation team does a fantastic work. Sharfaraz says it's a rounding bottom. Okay. Can you show the chart as no internet? Not allowed to show the chart. Range breakout. Yes. Inverse head and shoulder. Okay. Okay. But I think everyone, I can show chart only if it is not a stock. And that is the reason why we are going to quickly come to Nifty, where finally I will be able to show you some chart. Otherwise, taras jati hu, but I can't. Okay. Right. So let me just present my screen. Okay. There we are. That's the Nifty time pass. That is time pass. 12th May to 10th of July, almost for 2 weeks. We have been just going in a range. We saw a breakout. We saw a first retest here. Another retest here. We actually came slightly inside the channel today. But all in all, I mean, maza nahi aa raha hai. I hope everyone knows that the trade deal which was going to end yesterday, I mean, the what do we say? The 90-day period which was going to end yesterday. Finally, Trump has given us some grace days. Now, the final deadline as of now is 1st of August. So hopefully by 1st of August, we should be in a position to crack some deal. Trump is not really happy with, I just read some news as well. He said that, okay, we are talking about the trade deal agreed, but Trump is also not happy that India is a part of BRICS. And apparently he has also mentioned that India should not be, taking active part in this BRICS, which is Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Of course, there are a lot more countries now. We started with BRICS. Now it is BRICS Plus, if I'm not mistaken. It has expanded to some other oil-rich countries, something like Saudi Arabia, I think we have UAE, Iran, all these countries as well who are a part of BRICS. But I mean, all in all, he's not really happy with this because maybe he feels that BRICS is something which could, question the dominance of US maybe. Okay, coming back to what he has said about the trade, he's not really happy with uh, Pharma again. I mean, I saw this. I read one article. He said he was mentioning that again. Uh, he's wanting to have very high tariffs on Pharma. He said, "I'm giving you a warning. Pharma tariffs are going to be higher, very high rate, like 200% or something," is what he said. I don't understand where does he. I mean, why on earth does he say these things? Because I'm sure, like you and me, we also know that uh, you know we are like a global. We are like a pharma to the whole world. We export so much generic medicines, and overall, it is not possible that in the US they'll be able to manufacture at a price at which we are able to manufacture and sell to the US. But anyways, he's not really happy with our tariffs, and he says that I'm warning you, I'll have very high tariffs on pharma as well. He has also imposed 50% tariff on copper, but it didn't have a lot of, so many. Even I was tracking stocks like Polycap, KEI. Will they have like a crazy downward impact if copper prices go up, and which they did. I think copper prices shot up by some 15%. Um, but neither stocks, neither Polycabs, not KEI, they didn't fall drastically, a percent here or two. So I mean that is what has been happening. Uh, so currently, what we are waiting for again is the mini India USA trade deal to strike again, and Q1 results. I think TCS came up with the results today, and I'll be honest, I've not checked the results thoroughly, but to what I understand is, all in all, these stocks, I mean TCS especially, has come up with above average set of numbers, uh, is what I can get a sense of. I just quickly went through the headlines. I've not checked it in detail, but at least the headlines were like above average, above expectations. There's that. So of course I'll read through in detail, and if I feel that there are some stocks for which I should tell you in detail about the quarterly results, I'll definitely keep on doing that during the live streams. But I think today's live stream, I introduced a new format. Would just want a quick check on this, whether you liked it or not, whether you would want me to continue this. I'm not sure how many stocks, 3, 5, or what, but would you want me to continue with the breakout stocks series? I'm starting a poll today on account of Guru Purnima. I thought I should start something new, and that is the reason why we did this for the very first time. I'm not sure whether you'd want to. Prasanna says, I smashed 2 likes, one from the laptop and one from the mobile. Kya baat hai? Liked it, Prasanna. Kya baat hai? One of, I just lost the comment. I think it was Techie Hassan who said that I joined the membership so that I could participate in the poll. Kya baat hai? Very nice. In the meantime, oh my God, there are still whole lot of new members who have joined in. Rajkumar, Monica, Techie Hassan, Sachin, Mohan, Shri Hari, Harish Zadhav. I think. Okay. I hope I've welcomed everyone. Thank you so much for joining memberships. I'm sure if you have joined the Pro Investor membership, you'll definitely learn a lot more. Yes. How many people have given the vote? Let me see. If it's around 300, I will stop the poll. Yes, more than 300 people. And 93% people are saying yes, do continue with this breakout stock series. Very happy to see that you all are liking it. Plus 90% is definitely a good one. Super happy with that. Thank you so much for liking this new pattern, I will try my level best to come up with different stocks. Of course, if I'm going to discuss the stocks, they're ideally not going to be all these small caps and penny caps and all that. We will be discussing ideally mid cap stocks at least. That's what we'll try to do, right? Charan Spur says, Deepak ji, dhanyavad. May God bless everyone. May markets also bless everyone. Anyone who is doing good research, anyone who is doing good homework, may market bless them with good returns. May God give us the patience to stay invested. May God give us all the conviction to believe in ourselves, to believe in our studies. And I think I'm really lucky to have such an amazing set of viewers. I mean, I read the story today that for a guru also, it's so important to have nice students. I am not comparing myself in this example with Lord Krishna, but I was reading the story of Lord Krishna, which mentioned that Lord Krishna would have narrated Gita to anyone on the battlefield. He could have chosen any other Pandav. He could have chosen anyone from the Kauravas or any other person, but he chose Arjun for rendering Gita. And the comment mentioned that because Guru also knows that which Shishya can ask the right set of questions. And for a Guru, it's a pleasure to answer all those questions in such a way that not only the Shishya gets benefited, but the society at large gets benefited. So when I read that, actually that actually hit me so hard. Where it's not only the Guru who is important. Shishyas are the ones who bring out a better version of the Guru, and I mean, it's all because of all of you that I always have the motivation to keep on going. You keep on supporting me. You keep on encouraging me, and you keep on asking me the right set of questions, and that's what drives me more and more to work harder. I think so. On the occasion of Guru Purnima, I would really like to thank you all as well for supporting my channel and for supporting me in whatever I try to do. Right? Thank you so much for that. And a big thank you to everyone. I'm sure. Sure. Thank you. I'm getting a lot of wishes. Thank you so much, Ranjit ji, for that. Thank you so much for the overwhelming response. Shrikant says you have so many Arjunas. Absolutely. Thank you so much for the wonderful live stream. I enjoyed it to the core. We'll come up with more such live streams every Thursday. So don't forget to tune in 9 p.m. every Thursday. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye-bye.